Hi, welcome to Rambling with Geezers. I'm Don. Today we're going to show you how to install a backstrap extension on a Glock 19 Gen 5. So this model Glock comes with two backstrap extensions so that you can customize the grip to better fit your hand. They include a little pin removal tool and an elongated pin to hold the backstrap extension in place. Installing is really quite simple. Clear your weapon first, of course. Magazine is out. Chamber is empty. Take your pin removal tool, push out the pin, take your backstrap extension, snap it on the bottom first, come up, snap it up at the top, take your long pin, push it in, and you're done. Thanks for watching.